Well, our video question has to do with stethoscopes we're going to use today, and rest assured we're not doctors. Let's check it out.
I got this four-wheel drive truck here, and I just take it off-road. I abuse it and just do whatever I want to with it. Well, I get on the road, and it's got this loud humming noise to it. I turn to the left or turn to the right, and it gets louder. What do you guys think?
Dustin, it sounds like you have a ton of fun with that truck, and that's awesome. Well, you got a couple choices. Either turn up the country music even louder and ignore the problem, or actually fix it. So there's a couple easy checks anybody can do to see if you've got a wheel bearing or hub assembly problem.
Yeah, and the first thing you do is real simple. Just get it up in the air. You showed a little bit on the Maxima today, where you just take the wheel at 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock and pull it back and forth. It may be flopping around as bad as our Maxima was. You know where it is. But if that's not the case, swerve to the right or to the left. You're telling me it changes. That's pretty much taking the weight on it and the load off. That's a lot of weight. So when you get it off the ground, it may not be as loud, so a stethoscope is a good choice.
Beautiful thing. Let's put it right here.
Yep.
Anywhere you get good surface area, good. Spin it, John. I hear a slight rumbling, grumbling in there. You can imagine with 1,000 pounds over the wheel and articulation, that would really grind.
Yep, and I got an electronic stethoscope right here. Now this is pretty high tech. This is cool.
Oh yeah.
If that doesn't pick it up, now this will pick up anything.
Don't you yell into that.
Put that in there. Well, here's something you're familiar with.
Oh yeah.
I would like a number 6 with fries.
Oh, boy.
Here you go. All right, you ready? Go ahead, spin that.
All right. Oh yeah, amplified growling. You can definitely hear damage in there.
Big time.
Yeah, big time.
All right.
And my fries are ready.
Okay, great. So here's the deal. Go ahead and do that. Now, one other one, dial indicator, man. This is absolutely precise. You go on there, you go to your hub, you eliminate the rotor, you eliminate any other run out, and then you spin it. You zero your dial indicator here, and when you zero it, and we got a little play here on the table, but we still have some run out.
There it is right there. That's the worn spot in that bearing that's allowing that to move.
And that's not a good thing.
Nope. Got to replace that.
Yep, especially anything over 3,000s, man, that's going to be a problem. Well, what about our Maxima, though? I mean, that was a tough bearing.
That was substantial. Remember the clunking on the 12 and 6 o'clock check? I mean, you could feel it and hear it. That was bad.
That was rough.
Yeah.
But, using that press made easy work of that job. Yep. Put it back on, took it for a test drive, rumbling was gone, went ahead and did both sides. If that side's that bad, Dustin, you probably want to do the same thing, address both sides of the car. These are, especially on that truck, it's probably just going to be a bolt-on detachable hub, because he said it was a four-wheel drive.
Yeah, and if you're off-road a lot, keep everything greased up in that front end. Get Moog tie rod ends, keep it all greased up. You won't have any problems.
And Dustin, you want to do that because if it ends up like this one right here, your wheel's going to fly off.